Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 37th video in PyQt5 GUI application development. In the previous video we have learned that how you can create stacked widget in PyQt5. In this video I am going to show you that how you can create dockable widgets in PyQt5. So now I have created a new Python file and let me just first copy some codes from here. So I need just these code, so let me just paste it in here. Also I need these two, okay, and also I need a queue main window for right now. Let me create a class in here. So class doc dialog, and it inherit from queue main window. Let me write the constructor. So init and super.init. Okay, also I need some more requirements. I'm going to copy all of them in here. So just copy and paste it in here. Let me remove this method I don't need, and let me change this to DockWidget. Okay, also I'm going to copy these codes, so okay, and I want to paste it in here. So this is the simple code for my window. Now when I'm let me just change this to doc dialog. Now when we are going to create a dockable widget, so first you need to import QDockWidget in here. So QDockWidget, and now in the class, so also I need a QTextEdit in here, QTextEdit. Okay, now we need to create a method in here, def create dock widget. Let me create a menu bar, self.menu bar. I want a file menu just menu bar dot add menu, and this is file. Let me add the action, file dot add action. I want new action, file dot add action. I want save, file dot add action. I want close. Okay, so let me just call this method in here, self.create DockWidget. Now run your application. Okay, now you can see I have a file. Now for creating dockable widget, so first we need to create the object of QDockWidget, self.dock QDockWidget, and you can give the name. For example, I want to give it dockable and self. Okay, after this let me create a list widget. I need to import QListWidget in here, QListWidget. Okay, self.list widget QListWidget. Okay, now after creating list widget, I'm going to create a list, and in here I want to write Python and C++. I need Java, also I need C#. Okay, so these are the list, my list. Now I want to add this list to my list widget, so list widget dot add items, and I want to add my list. And after this I want to set self.dock dot set widget to self.list widget. Okay, so now if I run this, Okay, now you can see I have a dockable widget in here, and so it let me run it again. So now you can see that this is the dockable widget that you can dock in here. Also you can do, for example, I want it should be in the right, so you can write self dot set central widget to my set central widget to Q text edit, and also self dot add dock widget to, so I need an import in here from PyQt5 .qt core. I need Qt. So Qt dot write dock widget area and self dot dock. Okay, now let me just run this. Now the dock or dockable window widget is in here, so you can do like this, and you can bring it in here, and like this you can do. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.